Hello dear students, welcome to Study of Science. In this session, let us understand saturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons? They are the hydrocarbons which have single bond between the carbon and carbon atom. Correct? So here under saturated hydrocarbons, the examples for saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes, and the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so by looking at the general formula of alkene, let us now write the members of alkene. So here are our members, that is the meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct. Meth means it is 1. So now let us substitute n is equals to 1 for meth. Now let us write the first member of alkane, that is methane. First member of alkane is methane. Meth, it combines with ane, it becomes methane. Okay, so where n is equals to 1, I will be substituting n is equals to 1 for this formula, that is the alkanes formula. So C1H2 into 1 plus 2, that means C1H, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is 4. C1 is same as C, so it is CH4. Okay, so this is the molecular formula for methane. So now let us write the structural formula for methane. So by looking at molecular formula, let us see how many atoms of carbon and how many atoms of hydrogens are present. There is 1 atom of carbon, so 1, and surrounded by 4 atoms of hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written 4 atoms of hydrogen. This is how we write the structural formula for methane. And the second member is eth. Eth combines with ane, it becomes ethane. Eth combines with ane, it becomes ethane. So ethane is the second member. So n is equals to 2. That means C2H2 into 2 plus 2. C2H, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 is 6. C2H6. So C2H6 is the molecular formula for ethane. Now let us write the structural formula by looking at molecular formula. How many atoms of carbon? 2. So 1 and 2. And you know that this is saturated hydrocarbon. Hence, there will be single bond between the carbon and carbon atom. How many atoms of hydrogen? There are 6 atoms of hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how we write the structural formula for ethane. Now the third member is prop. Prop combines with ane, it becomes propane. Prop combines with ane, it becomes propane. As it is third member, let us substitute n is equals to 3. That means C3H2 into 3 plus 2. Very simple. We are substituting everything for the same general formula. By keeping this formula, we are writing n is equals to 3. Wherever there is n, I have written 3. So C3H2 3s are 6 plus 2 is 8. C3H8. This is the molecular formula for propane. So let us write now structural formula by looking at molecular formula. C3, 1, 2, 3. Saturated hydrocarbon, single bond between carbon atom. How many atoms of hydrogen? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 atoms of hydrogen. There are 8 atoms of hydrogen. So this is how we write the structural formula for propane. Now the fourth member is but. But combines with ane, it becomes butane. But combines with ane, it becomes butane. So let me substitute n is equals to 4. C4H2 into 4 plus 2. That means C4H, 2 4s are 8 plus 2 is 10. C4H10. Okay. So by looking at molecular formula, let us write structural formula. Now this is the molecular formula for butane. C4, 1. Let me write first carbon, 2, 3, 4. and saturated hydrocarbon, single bond between the carbon atom. 10 atoms of hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, so in this way you can write the pentane, hexane, heptane, octane and so on. You can continue. Okay, so I'll just teach you how to write the molecular formula for pentane, hexane and heptane and octane. It's because in the examination these were given more importance. Okay, so pentane, pent means fifth member, so N is equals to 5. So C5H, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, I am substituting N is equals to 5 for this formula, alkane. Okay, we got C5H12 for pentane. Then hexane, it is C, sixth member, right? So C6, that means C6H, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14. So C6H14 is the molecular formula for hexane. Then heptane. Heptane is the seventh member. So C7H, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is 16. Then octane. Octane is C8, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 is 18. C8H18. So this is how we write the molecular formula for pentane, hexane, heptane and octane as well. Hope you all have understood how to write the molecular formula and structural formula for methane, ethane, propane, butane. You can also try for pentane, hexane, heptane, octane. Thank you, students.